my friends, welcome in this tutorial of my channel Pritom's Vlogs. In sometimes we have to copy and or cut and paste files from one place to another place in our phone, and for that we need my files app. So in this video I'm going to show you that how can you copy or cut and paste the some files from one folder to another folder in your my files app. So let's start the video. Another thing I have to say is that if your phone has the function of copying, cutting and pasting, then you will see a button in your My Files app. Otherwise, if your phone does not have the function, you will not see the button, and unfortunately you will be unable to copy, cut and paste your files. So friends, to do that, go to your My Files app. Now go to that file you want to copy or cut. So I'm going to my file, download, and here you see here is a photo. I want to copy this photo to any another folder, so I have long pressed it and it is selected. Now tap here and then see here move and copy, two options. If you want to cut, then click move. If you want to copy, then click copy. I'm copying it, and now I have to select the place. I'm going to internal storage and I'm going to a file name Movizen. Here you see Movizen. I want to paste it here. Here is 0 items. You see 0 items here. Now this is the place where I want to set this image. So I'm tapping now done. So here is the file. Now if I want to preview, then you will see my files, internal storage, and here you see Movizen, and here is Movizen one file here. But before it Movizen was 0 items. Now here is 1 item. Here you see 1 item. So, and this is also available in the gallery, and here you see in the gallery, here is Movizen and here is my file. But I want to say you something, that if your phone does not support copy and paste, copy, cut, paste in your my files, then there will be no option of copying or pasting files. Okay, if your phone has the function, then you will see these move copy buttons, but otherwise you will not see them. And this is in the new version phones, this is mostly available, but in the old version phones it is not available. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel, like and share this video. Thank you. Please